Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Android Studio is open and your device or emulator is connected. This saves time. Next, identify your app package name because the database lives under /data/your package, name /databases/. Once done, open Device File Explorer in Android Studio or use a DB to list files. Make sure to grant debug permissions if asked. Without them, you can't access protected app storage. You're already doing the main prerequisites. Now you'll extract the file to inspect it locally. Once the database file is accessible, extract it to your computer. You can right-click Save as in Device File Explorer or run a db execout with runas to stream the file. This avoids root. After copying, check permissions. Set them to readable so your desktop tools can open the file. Then open the file with DB Browser for Sqlite or use Android Studio's Database Inspector to browse tables and run queries. This step lets you examine schema, rows, and run select queries safely. To apply changes, edit the local Sqlite file and push it back using a DB push into the app's databases folder, or include the updated DB in your APK and reinstall. If you change schema, uninstall or clear app data to force the app to recreate structures correctly. If you hit permission denied errors, make sure your app is debuggable and use runas to access its files without root. Lastly, if Database Inspector shows stale data, restart the app and reopen the inspector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.